Hey, what's up, Shanee? This is Devin from SEO Dallas, Texas. Thanks for clicking on this video. I'm just going to show you 3 easy ways to beat your competition online. I know you're asking why I'm making this video. There's just a lot of business owners out there that don't have the time. They're running the business and they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more business and more customers. And typically what's holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who is an expert out there and who's not an expert. So I found that by just making these attack plans and giving them away for free, a lot of business owners still end up raising their hands and calling me saying, you know what, Devin, I like you. Just do all this stuff for me. So if at the end of this you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve and you want me to help you, just call me and we can chat. And if you want to take this information and apply it yourself, that is totally okay. This is free education. All I'm going to tell you about today is going to be content, backlinks, and citations. Now to start, content is whatever's on the front page of your website that Google looks through just to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. And keywords are just terms that people search into Google to find your business. So like for you specifically, it'd be cleaning services in Dallas. Now Google wants you to have 1,500 words on your front page, up to about 2,000. And that includes all the text that you can read as well as the text behind your images, as well as whatever image is saved as. Now, I know you don't have a website up, which is totally fine. It's something you want to work on down the road so you can generate your own leads. I think it's awesome that you have your own Facebook. And the photos you have are great, too. I love this cleaning checklist, too. Like, that's such a good step ahead. That's giving away free value to somebody before they even start working with you. So that's awesome. You're going to want your own website, and let me show you. It's not going to be that hard to beat your competitors. DallasMaids.com, they aren't doing it that great. They have about 1,000 words. Now, don't get me wrong. I know their website looks really good. Google cannot tell how good looking your website is, so it doesn't matter. What does matter is content. And they only have about 1,000 words. You're going to want to have about 1,500 on your front page. So you'll beat them with that. And then you also have these guys, 2 Maids. They only have like 500 to 600 words. Again, 1,500 is going to blow them out of the water. So that's my first tip. And also, make sure your images are saved as keywords like cleaning service Dallas. These guys aren't doing that, so you'll beat them there too. Your next thing you want to talk about is backlinks. Google's like a popularity contest, and so they're looking at how many other websites are linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And not all backlinks are created equal. You get a lot more power from other cleaning companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you. I mean, Google knows you're not a pizza company. So I use a tool to check it out called Ahrefs. It costs about $1,000 a month depending on the plan you use, but it gives you really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. And it says DallasMaids.com has 244 websites linking to them, and 2 Maids has 54 websites linking to them. So you could typically add about 10 websites a day and be fine in Google's eyes. So you could beat these guys in about a week, and you could beat these guys in about a month. And the best way to do it is to just go figure out what links these guys are getting and go grab those same links to yourself. Like house cleaning, maid service, house cleaning, clean house. These are all really good websites I would just go to and just go try to get a link from these same websites. All right. And the last thing I'm going to tell you about is going to be citations. When someone types in cleaning service Dallas TX and they're ready to buy, they're going to call the first cleaning service that shows up that seems trustworthy. You want to beat that cleaning service because those are the easiest customers to close. Many people skip these ads because they have ad blockers, but also there's a large group of people out there who've just had bad experiences and just decide not to ever click on them. So the best place to rank yourself is in the Google My Business or local map pack section. And to get here, you need more citations than your competitors. Citations are wherever your name, address, and phone number are listed in different directories across the web. And directories are just websites that allow you to list your business's information like Yelp and Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor. These are really common ones. The best strategy here is just kind of like backlinks. Go figure out what directories your competitors are in. Go list yourself in all those exact same directories, but then add a bunch more on top. The more the merrier, all right? So that's all I've got for you, Shanee. I hope you found this really informative. What I went over today was content. Obviously, you don't have a website, but when you do, it's totally fine. The quicker you get one up, the better for you. I would recommend putting at least 1,500 words on that front page, if not a full 2,000. You want to dominate your competitors. Same thing as far as domination goes. Figure out what backlinks your competitors have and add a bunch more on top. In all reality, you don't need to go for the whole big kahuna, the 244 that these guys have. You can go after these guys first. Just get like 75 websites. Look how much traffic they're getting. 635. Can you imagine having that much traffic going to your business? It would blow up, right? And then when you're ready, then you go after these guys. 244, and they have 2.3 thousand every month. It's a lot of business, all right? And the last thing is citations. You can do this before you have a website. You can do this right now. Just figure out what directory your competitors are in. Go list yourself in those same directories and add a bunch more on top. So, Shanee, if you want to do this yourself, that's totally okay. Like I said, this is free education. There's no strings attached whatsoever. All I ask you, just send me back like one sentence as a feedback of response as feedback for me. in this email, just to help me make these better in the future. And if you want me to help you with this, give us a call. Our phone number is 214-441-6737. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day. Bye.